If you want to learn how to Prezi shuffle, meaning how to rearrange your presentation flow quickly and cleanly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you two simple ways to shuffle content in Prezi so you can reorganize your slides or topics without starting over. This is a huge time saver when you want to improve the story, fix the structure, or change the order of your presentation in just a few seconds. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Let's jump in. First, open your project inside the Prezi presentation editor. Once your presentation is loaded, look over to the left-hand sidebar. This is where Prezi shows your content in a vertical list of thumbnails. Each thumbnail represents a slide or a section of your presentation, and this panel is one of the easiest places to reorder your content. To shuffle items in this left timeline panel, click on the slide thumbnail you want to move. Then click, hold, and drag it up or down the list. As you move it, you'll see the other thumbnails shift to make room. When you place it in the new spot, let go, and Prezi will automatically update the order for you. This is especially helpful if you realize a section belongs earlier in the presentation, or if you want to move a topic closer to the beginning or the end. One great thing about shuffling in the timeline panel is that Prezi automatically adjusts the zoom path numbers for you. That means you do not have to manually renumber anything or worry about breaking the presentation flow. The new order is applied right away, which makes this method fast, simple, and perfect for quick edits. Now let's look at the second way to shuffle content in Prezi, which is by physically moving items on the canvas map. This method is ideal if you want to restructure your presentation visually and change how the topics are laid out on the main board. To do this, click directly on a topic bubble on the main canvas. Once selected, drag and drop it to a completely new position on the map. You can move it farther away, closer to another topic, or into a totally different part of the layout. This gives you a lot of control over how your presentation feels and how your audience will move through the content. If you want to reorganize subtopics or chapter order, Prezi also lets you drop a topic into a designated guideline circle. This is useful when you want to restructure priorities instantly and group related ideas together in a cleaner way. Just drag the subtopic carefully and place it into the target circle or position that Prezi highlights. Once you release it, the layout updates and the structure changes to match your new arrangement. This physical shuffling method is great when your content is more visual or when your presentation is built around a map-like flow. Instead of only thinking in slide order, you can actually move ideas around in space, which is one of the things that makes Prezi so different from traditional presentation software. So to recap, if you want to Prezi shuffle, you can either use the left timeline panel to drag thumbnails into a new order, or you can use the main canvas to move topics physically and reshape the presentation structure. Both methods are easy, both save time, and both help you build a better presentation flow without unnecessary hassle. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.